Hello everyone, Evil Bert on the internet again. And yet again, I've got the color filter on my camera influenced my drink decision today. So, we've done blue, we've done red, and today, green. And it was a challenge trying to figure out what green drink to make today, because there's argumentatively some good ones, some bad ones, and a lot of it is determined by the liqueur. You've got chartreuse, you've got Merlot, Mardoni, melon one. Anyway, I don't know what it is. I decided to go for a nice green creme de menthe as part of my green cocktail today. And I'm going to do one that is sort of a standard when people are trying to come up with something comically green for St. Patrick's Day. So this is a Emerald Isle, and one thing that all recipes agree upon is 2 ounces of gin. I'm not in my kitchen here, I'm not in any counter, so this is going to look pretty ugly pretty quickly. So, let's see. And then, do my balancing act. Now this is where all the recipes become very argumentative. Some say just put in a dash of creme de menthe, some say 1/4 ounce of creme de menthe. I'm just going to go for the full ounce here, because mostly it's about color, but I think I'm going to get a mouthwashy thing of gin. And that always seems to be the scary part here when it's more like cough syrup again, doesn't it? And that's always the fear sometimes, that you have someone who may have a drinking issue and one day they seem to come in with a gin-flavored toothpaste. And we're going to give that a stir. I'm not going to overtly shake it, but it's enough time for everything to chill. And a little concerned about the effect here on the glass because it's a bit of a blue tint, but let's see here. Oh, I should. I can find the top for this, so let it rip. All nice and green. Yeah, basically gin toothpaste. Something. Anyway, continue to stay safe, everyone. Happy drinking.